Arthroscopes, Shanoverseas Arthroscopes, are precision-engineered medical instruments designed for minimally invasive surgeries, particularly in orthopedic procedures. These arthroscopes provide surgeons with a clear and magnified view of joints, enabling accurate diagnosis and effective treatment of joint-related issues. Crafted with advanced optics and durable materials, Shanoverseas arthroscopes are essential tools in modern surgical practices, ensuring high performance and patient safety. Specifications: optical system, high-resolution lenses for clear visualization, diameter 2.7 millimeters to 4.0 millimeters options available, working length 110 millimeters to 180 millimeters depending on the model. Angle of view, 30 degrees and 70 degrees options for different surgical needs. Material, medical-grade stainless steel and fiber optics. Compatibility, compatible with standard camera systems and light sources. Sterilization, autoclavable for repeated use. Uses, orthopedic surgery, for diagnosing and treating joint conditions such as torn cartilage, ligament injuries, and arthritis. Sports medicine, ideal for treating sports-related joint injuries. Minimally invasive surgery allows for small incisions, reducing patient recovery time and minimizing scarring. Arthroscopic procedures, commonly used in knee, shoulder, elbow, ankle, and wrist surgeries. Features: high-definition visualization provides surgeons with a clear and detailed view of the joint. Durability, built with robust materials for long-term use and repeated sterilization. Ergonomic design ensures ease of handling during delicate procedures. Versatility, available in various sizes and angles to suit different surgical needs. Precision engineering, designed to deliver accurate and reliable performance in every procedure.